The discoveries that they've made in quantum physics has completely changed the way we see the world. And in a nutshell, what they've discovered at the subatomic level, the fundamental building blocks of reality, is that matter is neither a particle nor a wave. In fact, it's both, and it's both simultaneously. And it's the observer effect that collapses the wave function into a particle. In other words, it's us, sentient beings, conscious beings, it's when we come into play that actuality transforms into reality. You know, we're moving out of the age of automation into the age of imagination. And all our basic survival skills have been taken care of by the left brain, logical, rational mind. You know, we don't have to chop wood and we don't have to plant crops to feed our family anymore. Now, in order to add value and to find meaning, we have to really branch out into this creator role. I believe that audiences are really going to be looking for entertainment and experiences that speak to these new discoveries. We're moving into this age of imagination where we're going to find ourselves desiring more and more and needing more and more to break out of our conditioning, break out of our, our patterned ways of living. The intention behind Lucarium is to really create a space that is all about trying out new ideas and really experimenting at a very high-end level. I really believe that it's important that a brand is developed, that Lucarium stays very specialized, very high touch, high concept, and very potent in its content, and that will enable it to, almost act as a consultant to other organizations and be able to lend its brand, and in that way have its effect trickle down. There's going to be a premium demand for finding fulfillment and meaning in life in this, automated world. Lucarium is a think tank for really creating content that answers that need. If artists and storytellers aren't giving themselves permission to, break out of their conditioning and to experiment with what they do, then an audience isn't being given that permission either. Basically, people go to the films and they're getting the same stories just repackaged. And it's in order to break out of conditioning and to embrace this new world we're entering into, we need media and entertainment that reflects that. We actually need content that's going to create consciousness. There's an extraordinary untapped potential that we haven't even touched the surface of. And I believe that it's the artist's role to really lead the transformation and to bridge that gap between where we are now and where we're moving into. And this untapped potential is essentially our imagination. It's giving people a platform to try new things, to move into a new frontier and experience life in a completely altered way, to experience life as a creator.